Located in the Marketing tab, the People Manager module is a centralized database of people and their profile information. This list is from a variety of sources, including newsletter signups, contact us submissions, custom forms, and lists that have been imported. For example, if we look on this demo website, there's a newsletter signup. After refreshing the page, we can see our new person has been added to the list. You can see their first and last name, email address, number of subscriptions. In this case, they've subscribed just to the newsletter. Purchases. This is if you have the Commerce module set up on the website and you're tracking through the number of purchases. The date added, and if you wish, you can also delete them using the delete icon. You can drill down for more information on a person by clicking on the edit icon. And depending on the form that they filled out and the amount of information that was required, that information would then be populated here. First name, last name, email address. If a phone number and address was also asked for, you would see it here as well. Under the Subscriptions tab, you can see which subscriptions this person is part of. In this case, they're just part of the newsletter email. They could also be added onto another email list as well, the test email list. In the Email Lists module, I'll show you how you can create different email lists. And again, if this is connected to the Commerce module, you'll be able to see the number of purchases that they've made and what those purchases are. If you make any changes, you'll want to save your information by clicking on the Save button. In this case, we haven't, so we'll back out. You can also create a new person by clicking on the New Person tab. And as you saw while previously editing the last person, you'll just need to provide the information here. Most of the information is optional, so you can provide what's necessary for your website. You can also import people directly into the People Manager. You can first choose which list you'd like to import them into. In this case, I'll choose the newsletter list. And then I'll need to provide a CSV format file in the order of first name, last name, and email address. And I've created a file like this. First of all in OpenOffice, and now I'll save this file in the correct format. And I've chosen text CSV. Replacing my existing file. And going back to PLUJO, we'll now upload that file. And once uploaded, we'll save the work. And we can now see the new people have been added to the bottom and onto a second page. You can also export people from the People Manager. You can choose between exporting to a CSV file as well, or an XLS file. In summary, the People Manager is a central repository for all people that have opted into a newsletter or other form, or are part of a list that's been imported. You can edit the people's profiles as well as manage their subscriptions.